Alright, so today we're going to be working on our chest press, or otherwise what I like to call an upside down push-up, because essentially that is what it is. Now, if you have a bench, go ahead and use it. If not, go ahead and find a mat on the floor, somewhere flat, that's fine as well. So, like I said, when you're doing this upside down push-up, we're going to grab onto this weight and we're going to lay back. Just like when we're doing a push-up, we're keeping our elbows roughly about 45 degrees away from our body. 45 degrees right here. And we're pushing upwards, engaging most of the chest muscles right here as we explode on up. Your triceps are going to be firing off, the shoulders are going to help stabilize that movement as well. However, the primary driver is right here in the chest. Now this could be done with a barbell, a kettlebell, a dumbbell, or anything in between. In this case, we're going to grab onto this kettlebell here, hands on two sides, lay back, make sure we stay nice and engaged in the core, and press upwards. Pretty straightforward. However, one of the mistakes that people tend to make, and this can become a bigger problem once we start using heavier weights, is that they allow the elbows to drop way too far behind the back. Otherwise, something you probably commonly heard while you were bench pressing is people letting the bar touch their chest, which is unnecessary and, like I said, can become dangerous when we start using heavier weights. The reason being, we bring this elbow back to help extend our chest muscle so we get a full contraction throughout this pressing motion. However, you'll notice as you bring this elbow back that your chest is going to stop contracting right around here where this is lined up to the back of our body, right here. Anything past that, we're just loading more weight onto the shoulder, which in this case is probably a bad idea. So watch out for that as you're performing this movement, and thank you for watching.